Hello everybody, I'm Canadian, but today I'm in the US and I need to fill up my car with gas. So I'm at the gas station here, and this gas station I'm gonna pay with a credit card, but the credit card is a Canadian card. And whenever you pay here, you have to enter your zip code. Now the zip codes in US are 5 digits. The postal code in Canada is 6 alphanumeric numbers. So we've got 3 letters and 3 numbers. How do you fill up your car? What do you enter as a zip code? Let me show you. So we're gonna pay with credit card here. It says insert credit card. We're gonna tap, but of course you can insert. As soon as we do that, it asks for a 5-digit zip code. Our postal code in Canada is M3R2N6. We're gonna take the numbers, so only the numbers, and we're gonna add 2 zeros at the end. So it's 32600. Credit price, yes. Authorizing, and now we're just gonna remove the nozzle, push the button, and select our fuel. And that's it. We start fueling our car. It's that easy.